I think I want to probably push the people a bit to take position towards the relationship between their private sphere and the public sphere. Like in a way or in another, they will have to position themselves. Well, because even if they say I don't take part, it will be so. It will be a position. It will show something, and I think that's interesting.
En dus dat ga je helemaal zo in stuk doen. Dat kan het wel, ja. Ja. En wat is de bedoeling van de kunst? Om zo interactie te maken met de bewoners achter het muurtje. En degenen die in het park mogen die dan ook bij de bewoners? Bij één iemand wel, daar. Eigenlijk, daar mogen je gewoon binnen doen. Meen je niet? En dat zeg jij?
Maar dat is eigenlijk een utopische visie dat je hebt. In onze maatschappij, wij zijn allemaal zeer individualistisch gaan. Ik ben niet zeker of het meer zo is in ons land dan in andere landen, maar ik heb de indruk van misschien van wel. En vooral in de steden. En de mensen hebben schrik om met elkaar te maken. Die willen privé wonen. En vooral in Leuven met al die studenten. De studenten zijn dikwijls gezien als een last in plaats van een verrijking. En ik vind dat, ik vind in principe wat je doet heel goed en heel belangrijk. Maar het blijft utopisch.
It's that space of freedom which interests me. Like it's like how far the people will want to go in the adventure by trusting me, by trusting the public, by trusting their neighbors. It will create some a lot of connection in different way, like horizontally or vertically to the park. And if the trust relationship goes good, you are able to do much more in such a context, which is not directed by the laws and the regulation and the norms of the public space. No, it's like in your garden. Still now, we are still in Belgium. You don't have to ask an authorization to make a barbecue. Most of the people do terraces without asking any authorization. We are still in this country where this individual freedom is possible, and here what I would like is that to motivate the people also to take that freedom, to take what's possible to do in their plot, and maybe not only for themselves but for creating connections with the public, with the neighbors, connections which can be also interesting on a more societal level. That's where the utopia is. It does start from the individual and the freedom of everybody. But in this egocentric thing, you can also make things which can also be interesting for the others, and I think that's what will be interesting.